Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to create YouTube account. All you have to do is go to Google Chrome, then search for gmail.com. Next, click create a Gmail account. Then, click for create an account. Then, your Gmail accounts will appear. But you will click for add account to device. Then wait for a second. Let's proceed to create account at the bottom. Click it. Then click for myself. Then you may now type your first and last name. Then click next. And then type your birth date. Select the month, day, and year. Then your gender. Next, click next. Let's proceed to your password. Make sure it will be a strong password. Then, click next. At the bottom, you may click yes, I'm in. Now, this is your new account. Click next. Then at the bottom, you may click agree to their terms and policy. Let's proceed to verify your Google account. To continue processing this, type your password. Click next. Enter your number. Click next. Click OK. Click again, next, and OK. Wait for your confirmation code and type it. Then, next again. And that's all. You've successfully done to your account. Let's proceed to the last. Go to Chrome, then search for youtube.com. And then videos will appear. But at the top of the right corner, click the first name of your account. Then click for channel, and that's it. You had already done your YouTube channel. And that's all. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.